Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you, teach you a little bit about when you're mailing in your stuff. Here we go. So, right here we got two boxes. They're almost the same size. This one's actually a little bigger. And it's a, medium flat rate USPS, sorry, someone's licking my hand. USPS flat rate box. It costs 15 bucks and 5 cents right now to ship these things. They're great. Mostly I use these a lot. So this cost me $15.05 to mail off right now. Whereas packing the same materials in this one cost me almost $27. So obviously I took everything out, put it in this nice box that they give to you for free at the post office. I just go and pick up a bunch every week or two, just grab a handful, that way I have them. And it's much cheaper depending on the weight. So you can put up to I think 70 pounds in here, and it'll go for the flat rate of about 15 bucks. One rate, any weight. I don't think any weight is true. I think it's 70 pounds. But anyway, I just wanted to say, maybe go to the post office, pick these up, save yourself some money on the shipping, because shipping these can cost more. Sometimes it's cheaper, depending if it's really light, but most of the time I find out regular boxes do cost more. If anyone else has any other tips or tricks for shipping, post a comment, let us know, because saving money is something we all want to do, and postal rates are expensive. They can get expensive. So check out the flat rate boxes. I've never used stamps.com. It's like a monthly subscription. I just use Click and Ship, which you just go online and clickandship.com right there. And you print out postage. Just printed one out. So it just gives you that little number and everything. It's fully tracked. I just got to tape it on this box and then it looks professional. It's good to go. So, all right, I hope this helps somebody. Sorry it's a much longer video than I wanted, but kept trying to cover everything. Bye.